I, Benson Otieno from Moi University, doing mechanical and computer technology. I'm hereby to talking about the industrial attachment that is concerning as the course required. First and foremost, in the industrial attachment, I'm going to talk about the health and safety. In the health and safety, we are talking about that the safety is that condition of protecting person from getting injured within the workplace, and therefore we have the types of the health and safety. And these health and safety types, we have number one, we have the personal protective equipment. In the personal protective equipment, that is PPE, it is talking about the using of the gears such as helmets, and whereby we have that the helmets are categorized into the following units. We have the class AG, we have the class E, we have the class BC. Those are the classes of the helmets that a person can wear. In the PPE, we have also the gears, that is the gloves, using of the you use the gloves, use the gumboots, you use the wearing gears, that is the overall of the apron. Those are the personal protective equipment. Number two, we are going to talk about the health and safety. Health and safety, that is talking about the first aid. In the first aid, we have the first aid kits that is used to protect somebody when injured, to take care of the first aid programs. And number three, we are going to talk about the workplace. In the workplace program, the workplace safety, we have the examples of the workplace safety. We have the dust, we have the electricity, we have the radiation, we have the vibration, and therefore we are going to talk about also on those the examples such as radiation. We talked about also on how to protect somebody using a workplace safety. A workplace safety is prevented by using the signals, you reading the labels. We have the slips, trips, and falls. The slip and trips and falls also, they are there also to guide you when reading the labels, such as reading the labels. Maybe a machine is not functioning, you indicate there, do not use these machines. After talking about the health and safety, we know that the health and safety was conducted to ensure that the proper to protect the human against injuries in the workplace. That was considered in the Constitution 2010, Article 35. Secondly, I'm going to talk about the factory design layout. The factory design layout, we have what is a layout? A layout is a condition whereby equipment and materials and the people are aligned in a company or in a firm to function in a correct manner. We have types of factory design layouts. We have the process layout, we have the product layout, we have the combination layout, and the fixed position layout. In the process layout, this is whereby a single unit is concerned to supply the equipments, materials, and people in that line, and then the product is whereby you put the main, that is the equipment that is being served by the people and the materials that is needed from that equipment. It is so that the equipment, it is put on in the place at the middle, so that it process all the product. So that is the product farm layout. The combination, this is the combination layout, is the combination of the process and the product. It consists of the process and the product layout. Then we have the fixed position layout. Fixed position layout, this one is not moving in random. It is not moving in random. The specific positions of the equipment or the materials that is needed, it is just fixed somewhere in the industry, within the industry. That is the factory design layout. And then we are going to talk about also the the manufacturing process. In the manufacturing process, we have the numerical control and the computer numerical. In the computer numerical, we have such, it uses that sense of the programming. The sense of the programming it uses for operation to be controlled. And this operation to be controlled, they include the turning, the milling, and we have also the lathe machines operations. In the lathe machines operation, we saw that operations that is conducted by the lathe, it is boring, we have the chamfering, we have the internal, we have the grooving, we have the undertaking, we have the facing, we have the nulling. In the nulling, we are going to talk about that in